If you're looking for an authentic Indian food na hindi bubutas ng bulsa mo, then we got you covered. Hello Jolly Natex, today dumayo pa nga kami ng Eastwood, Quezon City to visit and try again Biryanis. Actually, na-vlog na namin sila before and sila yung agaw pansin na Indian food truck sa may Newport City, Pasay. And good news because they have their second branch dito sa 4th floor ng food park ng Eastwood City Walk 2 malapit sa Paeng Bowling and Billiards. Open sila dito daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. They have designated dining area and open kitchen na rin sila dito so you can see how your food is being prepared. Available din sila dito through GrabFood and ito naman yung menu nila. And as you can see, reasonable talaga yung pricing nila dito considering na may kamahalan yung mga Indian food. And syempre, we tried some of their best offerings tulad nitong famous deep fried samosa, may mixture of potato and chickpeas blended with other spices. Mushy and flavorful and nagko-complement sa kanilang tamarind chutney. Highly recommended naman tong samosa chaat, basically same samosa na in-smash then top with veggies. Meron din yung yogurt, tamarind and Indian spices which is yung chaat masala and garnish with coriander. Kung magawi nga kayo dito, subukan nyo to, promise. Mutton kebab roll naman is also good. Yung feeling niya at itsura para kang kumain ng burrito pero walang rice, instead may veggies and egg and yung mismong meat. Best to partner to with their cucumber raita and spicy chutney. Their chicken tikka biryani naman is their best selling menu item. Napaka-aromatic, nandun yung pagka-smoky taste and well-seasoned. Balance lang din talaga yung timpla ng kanilang biryani and yung tipong hindi masasapawan yung ulam. Pero isa sa nasarapan talaga ako dito is yung kanilang butter chicken biryani. Ang sarap kasi nung sauce Sweet, savory and lasa mo talaga yung mga blended spices. And ito talaga yung tipo na mapaparami ka ng kain. For their drinks naman, wag yung palalagpasan yung kanilang mango lassi which is really good, creamy, sweet and a bit sour, refreshing drink. And yung kanilang napakasarap na chai which is really good after having an awesome authentic Indian meal.
We like to invite you to Biryanis Eastwood. We have a lot of authentic Indian dishes like a chicken tikka roll, chicken tikka biryani, and dum chicken and mutton biryani. You can also avail our samosas, best sellers, and the lassis, which is really authentic and really sweet to you. We are located on the Eastwood City Walk, and it's on the 4th floor of the Eastwood City Walk Mall, and it's near to repertory and bowling area. We are middle of those food court. You can come here and order some good food for you. Thank you.